Hi everyone, so in this video I'm making a quick and easy banoffee pie using Carnation Caramel. Super easy to do. Add bananas on a crumbly biscuit base and then you top it with whipped cream and lots of chocolate as well, and it's done. Easy peasy. Great for a party or a family occasion. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. For this super easy recipe you will need some butter. You need some chocolate that will be to decorate your banoffee pie. You need 2 cans of Carnation Caramel if you can find them in the shop. Some digestive biscuits as well for your biscuit base, and bananas of course. So what you want to do first is you want to bash up all those digestive biscuits. You can do it the way I'm doing, which is very therapeutic, or you can put it in a food processor, which is probably quicker. So you want all those digestive biscuits to be all nice and broken up, and add in that melted butter and then mix it all up so it kind of clumps together a bit, and then this will be your biscuit base. Pour all of that digestive biscuit mixture into your base and then kind of press it down so it all sticks together nicely. And then what you want to do is pop that in the fridge to kind of set for could be like for an hour or so till it's all nice and set. I've used extra digestive biscuits, which I love to do, and I kind of have it coming up on the sides because I kind of like that effect on my banoffee pie. So chop up all of those bananas and then place them gently onto your caramel, and then when you do that, whip up some lovely cream and then just spread it over those bananas and caramel, spreading it all out to the edges so everything's covered and you cannot see any bananas. To finish it off, just takes loads of gratings of dark chocolate. You can use milk chocolate if you want, that's fine, and just spread all of those dark chocolate shavings all over that whipped cream. And voila, your banoffee pie is done. Chill it in the fridge until you're ready to serve, and I guarantee this is going to be such a winner with your family and friends. Enjoy! I hope you guys enjoyed the recipe.